Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2024 Kawasaki Z650. This naked street fighter just arrived with only 375 miles on the odometer. Perfect showroom condition, twin cylinder, fuel injected, ABS brakes. Come on by, save a lot of money off the price of new. Make your lightweight naked 650 dreams come true for just $79.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. This bike's still under factory warranty. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.